Where is the laser machine, there is GM. Hello everyone, this is Julia from GM. Today I will introduce you our hot selling model GM3015F laser cutting machine. Currently behind me is a 3 kW web laser cutting machine, which can batch process carbon steel up to 20 mm, stainless steel up to 80 mm, and aluminum up to 6 mm. Now let's look at more details. Firstly, there are 3 main parts. The first is the laser cutting head. This model is equipped with an autofocus laser cutting head, which has 3 significant processing advantages. First, it has a wide focus adjustment range and high precision. Second, it has a long service life, and the internal structure of the laser cutting head is completely sealed to avoid dust pollution. Third, the protective lens is easy to replace. The second is the control system. For this model, we adopt fast-cut control system. It supports graphical programming, automatic typesetting, remote monitoring, and so on. The operation interface is simple and intuitive, shortening the training time. The third is the laser source. We all use first-class brand laser source such as Rickers, Max, and IPG, with a power range of 1.5 kW to 50 kW, which can easily cut a variety of metal materials such as carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, or brass, and so on. The device you are looking now is our dual-temperature dual-control chiller. With the standard configuration of S&A, the 2-volt circuit cools the laser source and the laser cutting head, so that the laser cutting head and the laser source always maintain the best working condition. Okay, now let's go back to the machine. This is our latest generation aviation aluminum beam, which is light in weight, high in rigidity, and has fast dynamic response. To ensure long-term stable operation of the machine, we adopt high-strength plate welding bed, which has undergone 2 key processes of internal stress elimination annealing and natural aging treatment, with strong anti-deformation ability, ensuring stability during high-speed cutting and the service life of several years or even longer. We will lay fail-proof bricks under the bed, which can avoid the expansion and deformation of the bed due to the long-term heating, effectively reduce the damage of the laser to the bed, and prolong the service life of the bed. You can see here are 2 doors in this part. This is our built-in electric control cabinet. After opening, you can see that the lines will arranged are very neat. Don't worry about the massive wiring, and the little maintenance is convenient. Okay, about is our detailed introduction of our GM3015F model. If you have any questions or demands, please feel free to contact us, and we will give you our professional answers and support. Bye!